Hello everyone, this is Alejandra Gomez with creatingwithali.com, and today I want to share with you one project using this incredible Like You stamp set. I just released a card class to go with this stamp set, and so I thought it will be really great to have information or to do another card using the same set, because I thought it will be great to have more samples now that you have the card class to go. And a link in the description of this video, a link to more information about this class if you're interested in that. But anyway, today I wanted to share with you a different look and different colors from this set. You can see it's very versatile. There's a lot of other, apart from the flowers, there's a lot of other elements that you can use for background building, which is what we're going to be doing today. So I have here a piece of gorgeous grape as a card base, and this one is 8.5 by 5.5, and I'm going to be folding it in half. Use your bone folder to make sure it's the fold is nice and clean. And I have a piece of Coastal Cabana, and this one is 5 by 3 3/4. Yeah, 3 3/4 by 5. And a piece of Whisper White, and this one is 4 3/4 by 3.5. So the first thing we're going to be doing is I'm going to take these and I'm going to just get my Pierce mat, and I'm just going to use what is this? Scratch paper. And we're going to be doing the background of these. Now for this part, I'm going to be using the Coastal Cabana. And I always use the Pierce mat whenever I'm using photopolymer, because you get a better transfer of your image. And so let me just make sure. Yes. So here you have it. The same thing here. Oh, thank goodness I'm meant to be hiding this, you can tell. Well, I'll show you in a second what I did. Here we have it. And you can tell I'm just lining them up. And it's really easy. Now, you could use your stamparatus as well for these. I decided it was okay. I mean, it doesn't have to be perfect. The lines, as you can see, are not even that straight. So it's okay if you're not completely perfect on these. And let's have the last one. And you have it here. Okay, so that's the background part. Then, what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to take the gorgeous grape, and we're going to be using, I'm going to be stamping off and just be doing some, maybe somewhere here. And there you have it. So, then I'm going to take this one for a second here, because I'm going to be using it in a second. Then I'm going to be using Pineapple Punch and use this little image with the 3 dots. And this one I'm just going to go ahead and I'm looking for areas where I can show it better. There you have it. I don't know that you can really, I think you can see it there. So that's all it is with this. Then I'm going to get a scratch paper, and I'm going to be punching out a 2-inch circle. And I'm going to go ahead and take the gorgeous grape again. And I'm going to put the sentiment of "So glad we are friends." Alright, and then I'm going to take again and just like that. So now I'm done with this. Now the next part is, let me just close this because I know I'm going to be staining everything. I'll show you in a second. I've already stained my coastal cabana, as you can see here. So what I'm going to be doing now is I'm going to take the Starburst punch it out, and the whole thing is that you're going to be covering this section, so it doesn't matter. Now because I already stained this one, I'm going to be using this side, so that way I ensure no one is seeing that big stain that I just cast a minute ago as I was stamping. So we're going to line this up. Alright. And then I'm going to go ahead and glue this section to my car front or car brace. I'm going to be putting it like so. Alright. And then I'm going to take this, what is this called? The flax, is that right? Flax, yeah, flax ribbon. And it's really soft. I thought it was going to be like the burlap, but it's not. This one is really soft. So I really like it. And here's what I'm going to be doing. I want to be going in and out from here, like doing one of those zigzags. So I kind of have my measurement here. I'm going to take, oh, hold on for a second. I might just take these. And I'm going to cut it like right here. And I probably should have done this ahead of the time or the game, but anyway, let's just see how this one goes. It's not that bad. You can see I'm just going along that line. And there we have it. Alright, so now that I have these, I'm going to go ahead and glue these two together. I'm going to go ahead and glue this with this. And you can use fast fuse, snail. Okay, so now it's going to be here. I'm going to put it right in the center. And I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to go ahead and put it like so, and then like this, okay, and see, yes, exactly. And now I'm going to go ahead and just cut this section in an angle. There you have it. Now for this part, I'm going to go ahead and use dimensionals, and maybe I'll put another one here. And if you notice, I actually put the dimensionals on the card rather than on the piece. On this one, like I usually do. Because I wanted to make sure I can wrap around this. Now, the final touch is that I'm going to be using some of these little... oh, sorry, I moved the camera. Glimmer animal dots. And I'm going to be putting like a few of them. And I'm actually going to be pairing them, oh, I don't have it looked, exactly where some of these purples are. And I'm taking different sizes. So like, I'm going to put it, actually, you know what, it will be not, well, no, I'll put it here, just to follow the same. But you can put it anywhere. I might just put a little one since I am using all of them. I'll put one more here, you know, like maybe, yeah, here. There you have it. So here you have it. You can see you get a total different look with the same set, and you can build a really nice background with other elements from the same set. Like I said, it's really nice. of the stamp set. You have elements to do a background. You have also this really nice flower, and of course the sentiments are amazing. So I'll put a link on the description of this video so that you can see the class card to go now that you have one other idea, and also all the information about the products that I used today. You can click immediately on the description and see what color, what cardstock, what animals, and whatever I used. You can click on them and it will take you straight to my store. So anyway, thank you so much. I really appreciate you watching this video, and also don't forget about my new incentive for 2019, where I am sharing a stamping around the world tutorial bundle, which is 10 tutorials for free when you place an order with me of $50 or more, and use the hostess code. Now the hostess code is on my blog post, and it is creatingwithali.com. And again, you can get this bundle for free when you place an order, or you can also purchase the bundle. So I'll put more information as well on the description of this video. Thank you so much, and I'll see you soon.